Let's get started. I am starting off by prepping my face with face primer. This one is so moisturizing and feels so good on the skin. Currently, this is my favorite BB cream at the moment, as it blends into the skin and looks so natural. I just like to use my fingers to blend it out.
I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price I do. I don't know how.
Using the Rare Beauty Concealer in shade 190W, I'm applying minimal amounts on any areas that need a little support.
So I can't forget, but you're always on my mind.
I'm using a beauty blender to blend it into the skin. By the way, if you are enjoying this video so far, please make sure to click the like and subscribe button for more future content. To set the concealer, I'm using NARS Translucent Pressed Powder. Using a big powder brush, I am gently pressing the product into the areas where I applied concealer first. Anything that's left over, I just apply to the rest of my face. Let's prep the eyes with an eye primer. I prefer the waxier texture of this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. It definitely helps with color payoff and making the eyeshadows last longer. I'm applying it to my entire lid area and my lower lash line. Next, let's go into the Naked 3 palette from Urban Decay. Going into the eyeshadow called Limit, I'm going to apply it into my crease as a transition shade with a fluffy blending brush. Next, going into the shade called Trick, I'm going to apply this to the center of my eyelid and my lower lash line.
No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you.
I'm now using the shade Nooner to darken the outer corners of my eyes. It definitely adds an extra oomph to the eyes, doesn't it? And let's perk up the eyes with some highlighter. Using the Manizer from TheBalm, I'm applying it to the highest points of my face. That is my inner corners, center of my eyelid, brow bone, nose, cupid's bow, and the tops of my cheekbones. Now let's line the upper lash line. I have been loving this Clio gel liner for years. Using the Tarte Sea Surfer mascara, I'm applying it to my upper and lower lashes. This is a good lengthening mascara, not so much for volumizing though. I found these cute, sparkly, false lashes that I really wanted to use for this look. Bend the band side to side, then apply the lash glue. Guys, is this not the cutest packaging for a blush? It's a blush that acts like a stamp. It kind of reminds me of my primary school days when we used to use stamps on all our papers and stuff. I'm carefully pressing it to one of my cheeks. Do try your best to be symmetrical when you are applying it to the second cheek. Using a concealer brush, I am spreading out the product evenly. And we're almost done. I'm applying this liquid to powder lippy from NYX to finish up the look. The hearts on my cheeks also look like they didn't have enough product, so I used the lippy to add some more color as well. And we are finished. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel. Have a wonderful day, keep shining, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!